our issues, when raised, people think they are jokes. We have had information regarding the assassination of Raila Amolo Odinga, Stephen Musyoka Kalonzo, and myself, Kibet Farouk. We are here to tell you that we know of your plans when you went to the GSU school, when you were involved in hiring special sharpshooters to shoot Baba on site, to shoot Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka on site, and to shoot myself. It has been very clear also that Kimani Ichung'wah, Moses Kuria, and Wajackoyah, they have come up and they have made it very clear that they would rather spend their days in the courthouse defending the deceased allegations. So we are not afraid. We have seen murders during Moi's regime. A lot of people were killed and there was nobody to speak for them. So if anything happens to Baba, Kalonzo, and myself, then you know who will be the the four culprits. They are also planning to take people on flimsy charges, a reputation that has been done during Moi's era, where you cajole your opponents with flimsy charges, take them to different police stations, and charge them and have them rot in prison forever. We shall not allow that.